What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn up the brightness on your iPhone flashlight and adjust the brightness in general. This is something that I didn't know until recently. We all know that the iPhone has a flashlight built into it. If you swipe down on the top right corner of your phone, it'll take you to this menu and you could just click the flashlight icon to turn it on. But what I didn't know until recently is that if you hold down on the flashlight icon, you can adjust the brightness settings. As I turn it higher here, the flashlight gets brighter, and as I turn it lower, the flashlight gets dimmer. When it's set by default, it is just set to 2 of the brightness settings, but you could double it and get it twice as bright, something that I didn't know, and a helpful tip if you want a brighter flashlight. That's pretty much all I have for you today, though. Just a quick tip I wanted to show about the iPhone flashlight. If you needed any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you did find this helpful today, though, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.